You're on holiday seeing the sights. And of course, shopping. You see something absolutely gorgeous in the window, and you have to have it. How do you tell the sales clerk what you want? Hi, I'm Dora, and in today's episode, let's look at the order of adjectives.
What you talking about?
What? Not sure what that is? Don't worry, we're about to explain. And if you like this episode, please subscribe and share it. I'd like that dress, please. Which dress? Well, you got the right noun, but now you need to start describing that noun. So you say, the red dress. Great. You just used an adjective to describe what you want. But then the sales clerk asks, which red dress? Okay, you need more adjectives. What would you say? Let's hear it. How about let's see it? Is it the wedding red and gold dress or the red and gold wedding dress? You'd say, I'd like the red and gold wedding dress, please. So why is the other one incorrect? Because to sound like a native speaker, you need to know the order of adjectives. And wedding red and gold dress makes you sound like you're saying things all backwards. Take out a pen and write this down. OSASComp. What is that? It's an acronym to help you remember the order of adjectives. Opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. Beautiful, ugly. Delicious, gross. These are all opinions, and those come first. Adjectives that describe size are, of course, big, small, short, tall. What about age? Yes, old, young, and middle-aged. Then there are the shapes of all different kinds. Round, square, or oval. Color? Well, all the colors of the rainbow and beyond are all adjectives. What about origin? Where did this object come from? From Italy? Then what's the adjective? Well, it's from Italy, so it's Italian. It's from China? Then it's Chinese. From Korea? Then it's Korean. From France? Then it's French. I'm from Canada, so I'm Canadian. And what is the object made of? Wood, silk, plastic, glass, or steel? And here's the hardest one. What is this object's purpose? What do we use this object for? Let's think back to the first example. So here it is again. We have 3 adjectives, 2 are colors, and 1 is, well, what is this dress for? It's for a wedding. A bride would wear it for her wedding. So the reason why we say a red and gold wedding dress is because colors come before purpose. Okay, so let's test what you know. Look at this. Ooh la la. Describe this car. What adjectives would you use? Here are some that I thought of. Red, beautiful, sports, new, Italian car. Put the words in order. What's my opinion? It's beautiful. I don't have a size adjective in my list, so we continue. What's the age? New. What's the color? Red, of course. Is there any other color for this car? Where is it from? It's a Ferrari. It's Italian. What's its purpose? Aha! It's a sports car. Hello, Ferrari. I'd like to order a beautiful, new, red Italian sports car, please. Actually, make that 4. We're YouTubers, you know. So ready for that tip? Remember the acronym OSASComp? Now look around you and try to describe what you see with adjectives. You know, in the correct order. Hey BSC fans, have you heard? We're offering classes now. go to our website, bitesizeenglish.com, for more information. That's all for today. I've got to go get my new car. I'll see you next time right here on Bite Size English.